subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has expanded its Y series phones in India and Malaysia with the launch of its new Vivo Y27 smartphone. Now let's see the specifications of the Vivo Y27 smartphone. The Vivo Y27 features a 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 600 nits of peak brightness support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y27 is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 76.2 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y27 has been priced in Malaysia at 699 Malaysian ringgits, while in India it has been priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in burgundy black, garden green, and sea blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y27 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.